If your house or apartment doesn't have a doorbell, kind of like this one, then you might need one of these. And this is going to be the wireless doorbell that TECKNET went ahead and sent to me. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and install this to see how well it works. So this is meant to have frustration-free packaging, which basically means it should be easy to open. And yep, I can confirm this was easy to open. And up top, we're going to see the doorbell itself with the plug. Actually, this is going to be the speaker part that will plug it in. And then all the way underneath, we're going to get the rest of the materials. Here's going to be the hardware if you want to go ahead and drill the doorbell to the door. Otherwise, you do get an option to just go ahead and tape it, which I'll just use the double-sided tape it comes with. And then here's more double-sided tape. Here's this little card, contact info, the user manual, and the doorbell itself. So here's a closer look at the ringer or the transmitter. We got the logo right on top, and there's gonna be like a little screen over here. So when we press it, you're gonna see like a little shine of a blue LED, and this is gonna be pretty loud. So it kind of reminds me of a light switch. And then here you can see the little ring indentation, and this is gonna be chrome. And then there's also gonna be the back plate. Now I went ahead and took this off, so I just put a screwdriver in here and just pulled it off, actually from the bottom here, and it slowly comes off, and basically this is what it goes ahead and looks like. So if you want to go ahead and install it with the screws, you do have to take this back plate off, and then right there is where both screws can be placed. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to use the double-sided tape because it's easier. So this can just be put back in place and then just pushed in. Just like that. So from either side of the adhesive, this can just be taken right out. Just like so. And then we're gonna have these holes that can come right off as well too. And there's also gonna be little ones in the corner, but I'll leave it on for now. It'll kind of push it out. All right, and that's what it goes ahead and looks like with it on. And if you're wondering what this smaller adhesive is for, it's if you wanna go ahead and remove the back plate and stick it onto here directly. But I want to keep it on the back plate because this way I can go ahead and take off the transmitter easily if I want to. So time to install this, and I think I want to put it right over here on the side just so it's easy for people to go ahead and see. Like right about over here, and then just stick that in place. And there, now it's good. Now all that's left to do is go inside and find a place to go ahead and put this. All right, so I found the perfect spot here, and I messed with the buttons a little bit. So it turns out the bottom one is going to be volume, and the top one is going to be the different sounds. So there's going to be like a regular chime, and there's also going to be a bunch of different music. So let me just go over all of it real quick. All right, so here, that's the volume. Less volume, less volume. And now it's completely mute. And that's the highest volume. Second highest. So yeah, let me go to the second one. And now time for the different sounds. It's like a regular doorbell. Little different. All right. All right, now I went through all of them, so that was a bunch of different sounds. And now let me just go ahead and choose my favorite one, and then let me go outside and test it. All right, so now let me go outside, and then just go ahead and ring the doorbell. And yeah, you can hear it inside over here. Yeah, so overall I'm pretty happy with this wireless doorbell. It was really easy to go ahead and install. It goes ahead and matches with the white over here as well too. And there's a lot of different options for the sounds. And thankfully I can go ahead and lower or increase the volume too. But yeah, if you're looking to go ahead and add a wireless doorbell, again, to your house or to your apartment, definitely check this one out by TECKNET.